So here is the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam, Mometrix, multiple choice questions and case studies. Now, I did do the American Counseling Association presentation. It went great. I am going to be hopefully doing this again. I got good feedback, so I'm excited about it. And I'm also going to be doing a video about the new changes that are coming for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam this coming summer 2027. So the changes are good, and some changes are like, okay, now I got to study a little bit more and a little bit different. But I'm going to break this down and do a side by side comparison so you'll see and you'll know what you need to study. But all in all, I am happy that I'm going to be creating my own content material for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam that does not include just case studies, right? So, foundational information that you need to understand in order to even answer those case studies based on your knowledge. So, long story short, I am excited about the National Clinical Exam process and I'm excited for you. So, if you have any questions, leave some below this video and I will reach back out to you. But happy studying. Okay, so here are the codes for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam. And I was debating if I was going to post these codes because some of these questions are very short, meaning that they don't have a lot of questions. Some are like 14, some are like 27. And honestly, I feel like there needs to be more content, more depth when it comes to some of these areas. And so that's also why I'm creating my own exam questions that'll also help you from what I've seen from students taking this exam. So yes, but they're still here, they're still valuable, still good to know. And then the areas where there are smaller amounts of questions, I would say it is important to make sure that you can also use the questions from Dr. Rosenthal as well, or from Hellwig to just deepen your understanding. But let me know if you have any questions and happy studying.